Yeah, we have contributed to it because Captain Abioyen, we enabled him. I get TV train one Captain Smart started side with you. Waba Angel or free Fox nearby. Fox, what happened? We were all around cheering him on.
Ubia, what's the home of politicians? I'm Mausika. Opposition. Kakrana. Omodema Omonuti.
We have reduced Ghana. We have made truth commercial. It is no credit asa. No credit asa. It is what Obabeka Asama already draw. Ubetientium, on already no credit.
Is pushing anybody to use an old video to come and portray, say, as if say Captain Smart, a Casamano and Ra or Kaya, dear Chayana, yes, I know I am the king of morning shows. That's number one.
What's a someone? I am Tro, more Ghana, Takrawo Jim, education, Baba, education, Baba, no better. You want 1,100 and something views.
I know.
Reset of the brain, reset of our taste. Media and one owning politicians are now owning TV stations and radio stations.
Ebusia enra da na chese arekusem ana behye mu ewo Ghana ha ni nyina gina eye oboase illegal miners ene eye soldiers ko hye mu a ede awuwo ni mojasem eba ya chese ede arefo ebehye ye nyina yakoma because youth emema kukuda mutum say yes emema ni ene hwere omo nkwa na chese akoye asifim ye na after say ye hu say video no trend no video na trending next about Captain Smart na wo ka say eye oboase youth and sorry no munko eye AGA concession because omo Ghana for and they have the right asem we ba media ne so no ene enipa kudam eni mu concerned citizens ene eye Ghana for do ma no tumu ka say asem we de entwe ye na vim lady eso edina no betu ma first odinka ye post and then second or so live e kasa editia dia captain eye na ankasa
yeah, we have contributed to it because Captain Abioyen, we enabled him. I get TV train one Captain Smart started side with you. Waba Angel or free Fox nearby. Fox, what happened? We were all around cheering him on. We were clapping for him to the extent that other radio station manager to make us say, yes, it's a captain, fire, it's a captain. Oh, Sammy, come say, but you're too gentle. On fire to say captain. Yankasa, we have lost our way. You man, you're gunu. You're gunu.
Aha let's talk ghtrends and any first time I put into a video, Mr. Subscribe. I'm a menu click and notification bell and set the latest update to about. Also, update me, I can follow your Facebook as Let's Talk ghtrends and at TikTok as Let's Talk GH. Any comments be answer one bit major or comment section. Eddie Amame. Na enrada abrana Captain Smart video ne trending no. Any a vim lady ebe key poster o make ye no say, "Oh my brother Captain Smart, did you say this on Onia TV? Why? Does Ashanti Gold have a bona fide license to operate? Then why? Just asking on." Nti ade a vim lady de buy no bisa Captain Smart say asem we pa wo gina Onia TV na wo cancer asem we as a journalist. Nti after so ye post we na enye vim lady nkonko fo be braid o ma no eto asem we because ye nim say journalist you be a o very powerful asem a microphone ebe wo kasagu microphone na ebe kɔ no sa asem ni betimi akum nipa ebetimi de asindua ba ebetimi asai kuro ebetimi abɔman eti ene nkɔfo condemn ni nyina na anopa we ana vim lady aba o say enye ene o Captain starting no be today enye ene ana Captain started say okeka kansem na it say media nimu na nkasa na asoso Captain swa manitima ye ne de from Fox FM to Angel baby awakobia ya soso ne so captain o ana every nimu amanako twetwea bedu sesemre ana vim lady akansem
yeah, we have contributed to it because Captain Abioyen, we enabled him. I get TV train one Captain Smart started side with you. Waba Angel or free Fox nearby. Fox, what happened? We were all around cheering him on. We were clapping for him to the extent that other radio station manager to make us say, yes, it's a captain, fire, it's a captain. Oh, Sammy, come say, but you're too gentle. On fire to say captain. Yankasa, we have lost our way. adwuma na gu ya gunu ye ne ya gunu. And that's why I'm apologizing to National Media Commission, George Saponi. We were part of the law to regulate the industry. And I said, there be Media Commission for a law no ban is an affront to free expression. But free expression is so unlimited. Free speech is just a free speech has guidelines, regulations, has limits. You can't be limited free speech to media by person First Amendment free speech by and yet free bond to sao and yet blanket check. It is heavily regulated. Ghana falling number 2 categories, the citizens of Ghana. Because we have reduced Ghana and we have made truth commercial. It is no credit asa. No credit asa. It is one over bekan asama already draw. Ube tientium una already no credit. One over twisted facts. One when you okay. And we the people now you're consuming media no, we clap for people like that. We have enabled it. If you're not match no media houses even to the time of say fire to mercy. There is no regard for no credit. And the people of Ghana, what to me a program no be about 10 views to pay, 100 views to pay. Now, determination of truth, determination of quality is measured by the number of views. And to call FMO, City FMO, Peace FMO, they call OK FMO, you views. And I just have to use that word for emphasis. And someone I am tro Ghana, Takra Jim, education, beba, chaos, beba, no you want 1,000, 100 and something views. And not Ghana for your pet. We so the media, every society, media and the society in which it's Kata, Kalma, so then or Kata. Okay, me say what they call YouTube na call any media house, Facebook. Obi obeka as assembly 3 views, 10 views, 1,000. You are better 7 no, 1 million views. This is where we have reduced our society. Into young captain, you be blaming as a society. Yeah, reset of the brain, reset of our taste. Media and one owning politicians are now owning TV stations and radio stations. Setting up a mammy which is a dunum, which got a moon owning a human, a GBC or yabai. And some of the normally or more private one, but despite media, a private people. And maybe politicians are owning media house. Into their politician and our we know media houses that are owned by politicians. Politicians, even presenter cannot express a different opinion from owner. And it's all only MPP near was all radio station in also a cassette to me MPP for. So only NDC near I was so be a radio station also cassette to say NDC. But to say that you will chase people out of town. Hey. And this is where we have come to. And comfort that we win the elections and comfort that to Moko Airport. And yes, we are good. I came here to sit here to say the law does not lie in your hands. Because we have to say lawlessness. No, we cannot encourage lawlessness. 15 people say if it is confirmed, because according to a small scale mining association for an letter, I'm saying 9 people are dead. But Obuasi fancy 15 people. People you go for Papa no go for Branham. When they come back no moment didi, they are dead. And buying that year reset. Because when a buying crop for started so more young crop, I perceive a buying crop for because it can be that other people have also joined on within Guasem. But it perceive that but the government must have the balls to stop the people. A free NECO, we must all sign a treaty. We must all see a vow. Who said free Enerico. We will make sure that party be obey winning power. Their supporters will not do that. And the supporters try to do it. I was a party for hierarchy immediately at once must stop them. They must stop them. Free SHS near Sarkodie Chito SHS Sarkodie. Now Obia could more reacting tomatoes. Yeah, the man Kolano, free SHS and Kolane and the cop. Now, you are collapsing the nation because the same government that you are claiming you are for, no government now better for no one send their tomato to replace what you have stolen. emo na nkofo wia nkofo have gone to Songo salt we are pumping machines on one of the salt adwuma. Are we sick? Which advanced democracy? You will find said you nkofo bi adwene wo form, they will come and insult you. No cry answer. Truth is no longer truth. Obi can no cry yen gather one page ni en din atem na yen shutting it down. Yen no nye di. O your back cry bobo. Ye be didi watema de wase didi watem. This is how low we have sunk as a nation. And we have kokum konform and 9 people dead. O share the way they were killed. O sebefem. And now me back come the video nature no say if you close to me to be right. I mean I'm journalism. It's sad. Ya bo bitu man na na chia akosi na chi. Ne na 360 degrees turn. Ba ko dey bo ni shoulder ya bo na chi na be pie ni ha. Ha na tu. AK-47 the bower baby bullet be pie na etu of the ho. I survive it. But they say you come ni party say nkoko. And you can't blame the military. They are trained to fire. They are trained to fire. They were stationed on the property to guard life and property. Were mining company. They have not gone to anybody's concession. Baby. A security zone, a mining concession. So for the baby now. So if anybody has trespassed, it is you, the people. Mosena, come there. Are you serious? Are you serious? Say, mama come there. Me donya me so me yes we be ma command you omo. Ani akoku no. Oni pa no one concession I will protect it. The law on the chair say obi our right to protect life and property with reasonable force. What the baby o meka o. And I will feel fear na oba ni so. Mo na mo ya the bad wire crack about mo jump it. See ya mema ya be try mo nyansa say. Wo ya be ma che soldier. Are training to kill? Then the whole presenter say, "Me donya me be chasing AGA. Who chasing to where?"
Ebusiana chese the vim lady ekano no o say eya de dada captain the idea we ya no chese o kan sema sometimes so I know so who say so control what when no masem because being a journalist no o wasudie pa yenim say amama so to ko bebre sisi because of asema eye radio so na TV so ni partner eka enti eti wo kasa na wahwe wenum asem yie ene Ghana phone bi so ato amane eye Captain Smart me de mani edi ensem nechi any update be fe oba de ebeba be bro your Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and your TikTok as let's talk ghtrends so be follow these pages e de amam meeting e de na neka santo.